Hello guys, good afternoon. We're back again at Full Course Fitness Gym. Today is not too bad at all, pretty quiet, so it's easy to jump in at the gym. So probably today we're gonna do a chest and back. So probably that's couple set, and we're good to go. Just follow the instruction, guys. It's easier today to use the gym. Just follow the instruction. All the equipment, there's instruction over there. So we're gonna use this one right here. Okay, that incline chest press is done. So we do the other one with the back part. So hammer strength, iso, lateral high row, guys. So once it's done, probably put another extra 25 pounds, guys. Okay, one more and we're good to go, guys. Okay, probably that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.